So I'm back and I'm here. Let's get started. Okay gang, Kamaka family, I am back with another video. In today's video, as you guys can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys my TWA wash day routine because girl, like, she's really dirty. Before I get into the video, don't forget to follow all of my social medias. They'll be in the description box down below. Don't forget to comment #Kerrigan. Get shout out in my next video. So let's get into the video that way. Okay, so this is my hair. I big chopped in August. And my hair is like really dirty because I had it in cornrows for like 3 months. Like, don't judge me. And it's just like in a wig or whatever. And yeah, I'm about to show you guys the growth or whatever. It's still growing in the shape that it was. Like the bottom's taking a bit of time to grow back or whatever. So I big chopped in August. If you guys want to go see that video, I recorded it and stuff, so you can go check that out. I'll have it in the iCard and the description box. And it's so weird because like all of this is like new growth. It's so weird. Like, also you guys can see me in the back. If that's annoying, I'm so sorry in advance. To start off my wash day routine, I like to spray my hair and get all the gunk out first. So that's what I'm going to do because my hair's like really oily and it has a lot of like built up glue, especially around the hairline and stuff. And like, look at that, disgusting. And it's like really matted. So I'm gonna use my spray bottle and then like comb it out really quickly, and then before I get into like the washing and stuff. Guys, so I'm done with my hair, detangling and all that stuff. Usually I'll do a salt water rinse like while I'm in the shower, but I really don't feel like making rice water. Like before I put my hair in the cornrows, that was in there for 3 months, but we're not gonna talk about that. I did rice water and honestly I can see that it did make a difference. Like my hair feels thicker, and like usually coming fresh out of braids I'll get more shedding than I did today, so you know, pretty good. So, but I'm not gonna do rice water today because for one, I'm lazy, and for two, I really don't want to make rice water and wait for that whole process. So now I'm about to go to the bathroom and I'm going to show you guys the shampoo I use and the conditioner I use, and yeah. Okay, so I'm back and I'm here. Let's get started. So the conditioner and shampoo I'm going to be using is the Cream of Nature. This is my first time using this. I usually use the Aussie, so this should be interesting. Yeah, my sister uses it and she got a lot of hers. So with that being said, I'm bald-headed, so we're gonna use this. I like to condition first, then I shampoo, so that's what I'm going to do. I like to condition outside the shower, and then I get in the shower and then I do the whole shampoo, detangle, yada yada yada. So let's get into that. Long neck, have banana.
is it you want?
You guys can't even cap. We all know that one person that has curls and shakes their head every 3.5 seconds. And it's most likely a boy named Jaden. Like, where's the cap? Anyways, I'm going to let this conditioner sit in for about 30 minutes. Then I'll go with the shampoo. Unfortunately, I will not be shampooing with you guys. I'm going to be shampooing off camera. But I'll get back with you guys with the LCO method that I use.
L'Oreal CoverGirl. It's 2 hours later. I don't know if you guys can tell. Where's that trash bag? Okay, right here. So now we're gonna get into the braiding and twisting method that I use. I use the LCO method. I really like it. Y'all, like, my room just got like darker, like dim and stuff. And it's just like, come in. Oh, my beloved sister's here. What's up? Anyways, like I was saying, if I don't fall asleep after filming this video, that'll be an accomplishment. The hair and this little t-shirt thing. I know people say that like putting your hair in like a t-shirt to let it dries better. I don't really know the difference, but hey. Ooh cha, ooh cha. This old Dragon Ball shirt I have, and it just has like a whole bunch of dye and stuff that I messed up. You know, it low-key hurted me when I messed this up because I was like, dang. Oh my gosh, it looks so weird like in a mirror. What's that? I kind of messed up the shirt, and Dragon Ball is like one of my faves, so it's just like, dang, that kind of hurt me though, because why would you think that of me? Because I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna use for the LCO method. So like I said, liquid. My hair's a little bit damp, but we're gonna use handy dandy spray bottle for conditioner. So I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature by African Pride and the Shea Miracle Bouncy Curls Pudding by African Pride. Also, I think I forgot what it was it Bella Curls? It was this one conditioning cream I had, but I gave it to my sister because she wanted it and stuff. And like, girl, that's like my favorite one. I'll put it on the screen. I also did a video of my like favorite inexpensive conditioning creams and stuff. Whew, I need to buy another one, you guys, but in the meantime, I'm gonna use those. Let me put this up so you guys can see my hair. This is my hair now. The hair right now, y'all. I'm also gonna be using this grease, this hair grease. It's the Palmer's Olive Oil Formula Growth. Cut that bit. The Palmer's Olive Oil Formula Growth Therapy like hair grease, and it has a little bit of black castor oil in it. I mixed it in there, and then I'm also going to be using my Do Grow hair oil, mega thick hair oil. So yeah, now this is really new because this is actually my sister's. Someone at her job had like this hair product that makes your hair grow, and this is it, and I really want to try it. And I bet you guys are like, Karen, why are you touching your sister's stuff? It was in the bathroom, so if she didn't want me to touch it, it should have been in her room. She watches my YouTube videos, but I feel like by the time she finds out, it'll probably be New Year's already. So like sometime in January. She don't really watch my videos like that, but she still watches them. Anyways, you guys like my socks? I got them from like what you call it, a Secret Santa at school, and they're so cute. Anyway, so this is the end of the video. It's way late. Like, I'll show you guys my window. Like, it's dark outside, right? Like, it's way late. I forgot to film end this video. Let me show you guys the wave check really quickly, cause you know, we want to see them waves, boy. See them waves. Woo. We got the waves. So my hair is done marinating. Personally, for me, I know I use a lot of product, but my hair gets really dry, especially since it's been bleached and stuff. But yeah, this is the hair. Let me go to the side. And yeah, I'm about to style it because tomorrow I have to run some errands. So anyways, that's the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it, this was just my TWA wash day routine, which is very, very simple. It just consists of shampoo and conditioner. Some days I'll do rice water, like I mentioned, like a rinse while I'm washing my hair, but I didn't do it today because I was lazy and I did not want to make a rice water because it stinks. Now I'm about to insert a Bible verse to start off week and off week with the occasion. Get your path, get your way. So if you guys enjoy that Bible verse, peace, you guys out.